All right, team, it's 10 p.m. Time to start the night shift. Humans sleeping, but I'm wide awake. Again. Seriously, brain? You never take a break. I thought night was your chill time. Chill? Ha, that's when I do my cleaning. You know, during sleep, I flush out toxins. It's called the glymphatic system, basically my housekeeping crew. I'm cleaner than your arteries, heart. He's right. During sleep, the brain clears out junk like beta amyloid, which causes Alzheimer's. So sleep isn't just lazy time, it's brainwash time. No wonder I feel like sandpaper without 8 hours. Brain, tell them what happens when they skip sleep. Gladly. With no sleep, memory gets worse. Focus, gone like Wi-Fi during a storm. Emotions go wild. One minute you're happy, next minute you're crying over a banana. Whoa, even I get affected. I thought sleep was just for beauty queens. Nope. Growth hormone is released during deep sleep. That helps bones grow and repair. Sleep equals natural construction time. What about me? Why do I crave samosas at midnight? Because sleep loss messes with your hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin. Sleep less? Crave more junk. You're basically a hangry gremlin. Only if you get into sleep. That's when dreams happen. So tuck in, shut up, and let me clean up your mess. Moral. Sleep isn't just rest. It's repair, reset, and recharge.